So how long have you been fishing here?
I've been fishing here for about a year, but I've been fishing the Everglades since 1994. My dad started taking me down here. Especially if you're fishing, you know, you gotta like go set your camp up, go fish, and come back, and then...
Yeah, that sucks you can't stay at one more night. It's beautiful back here. Nate, what are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be fly fishing today. How long have you been a fly fisherman?
Since I was 12, so 1992, I was fly fishing in saltwater.
How do you want me stripping it?
Just, it's like a topwater, so you kind of want to give it some movement.
Trying to impress me, pulling out all the stops. Making my dizzy.
That's awesome.
Now we've all caught one. That's exactly what I wanted to fish. Knew it wasn't gonna take it that long.
Palm Beach relief.
Thought you noticed. Thought that you should know I'm already sold. Never let me go. You had me at a la 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 la.
fun.
Yeah, what kind of boat is this?
This is a Hells Bay Whipper-A, 1998. So this was the first Hells Bay ever sold to the public. Like the 10 boats that they built before this one went to guides and investors of the company. So this was the first one ever put out. And it went to Texas, and it got sold again in Texas, and then it went to South Carolina, and I bought it from a guy in South Carolina. Brought it back to Florida where it belongs.
So, exactly where it belongs.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Stop talking, I don't care. With you, my mind is clear. La la la. Hi me and hello. La 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 la. Hi me and hello.
Dude, if I was a fish, I'd be hanging out right there.
The water just a little low.
Hi me and hello.
Right there, that's pretty great. We're on the money right now, yeah. We're at 4 tarpon and 5 snook. It's been a great morning so far, to be honest. Relaxing. Temperature's a little great, but I got bit on the forehead by a mosquito. But no, I'm having a great time. It's relaxing. Definitely. That was just threw it out there for fun. Oh my god, I wasn't even expecting anything. It was sitting there for like a full freaking minute. Oh no!
That's too much brush.
Well, at least you know it works.
It's kind of skinny right here, so.
Okay, catch a bigger one. Did we catch? 5 snook and
4 tarpon, I thought?
And 4 tarpon, right? So 9? Or is it 3 tarpon?
I lost count.
I lost count
I know
too.
I caught at least 2. I think you caught 2.
I think, yeah. And he caught 1.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so 5 tarpon and 6 snook, because we didn't land the 6th one, but we did catch 6.
We did leader it though.
Yeah. It was a good day. Yeah, we caught 5 tarpon, 6 snook, and it was a really great day here out here with Steve. Where are we, Steve?
Chokoloskee.
Chokoloskee?
Yep.
Chokoloskee, Florida. It's gorgeous out here. I kind of forgot that we're in Florida for a little bit because I can't hear anybody or hear traffic. So if you're ever out here, I definitely would recommend just coming out here and just hanging out if you have a boat or you know anybody. It was a great day, so I'm looking forward for tomorrow, Indy Lights testing in Sebring. But it was nice getting my mind to relax today and mentally resetting and hitting the track strong tomorrow. As always, spread some love, guys.
Good job. Let's see if we can make it back to the boat ramp.
Why, is it that low?
Yeah, it's low.
Oh, Jesus. Thank you.
Anytime, brother.
Really appreciate it. That was fun. Now I know why you were like, hey, it's worth it.
Appreciate it.